the hidden billion-dollar industry behind Amazon returns. Have you ever wondered what really happens after you return a product to Amazon? Most people believe the package simply goes back onto the shelf, waiting for the next customer to buy it. But that's only part of the story. Behind every returned package is a massive network of warehouses, inspectors, resellers, liquidators, transport companies, and recycling facilities. Every single day, millions of packages begin a second journey that most customers never see. Some products are inspected and sold again, some are repaired, some are bundled into giant pallets and auctioned to businesses around the world, and some never make it back to another customer at all. This hidden system has created an industry worth billions of dollars every year. The incredible part is that most people have no idea it even exists. Today, we're going behind the scenes to follow the complete journey of a returned package, from your front door to its final destination. Along the way, you'll discover how companies recover value from returned goods, how entrepreneurs build businesses by buying liquidation pallets, and why the path of a single return package is far more complicated than it seems. By the end of this video, you'll never look at an Amazon return the same way again. Let's begin. The journey starts with a single click. A customer decides to return a product that didn't meet their expectations. It could be the wrong size, the wrong color, a damaged item, or simply something they no longer need. After submitting the return request online, the customer carefully packs the item, attaches a return label, and sends it on its way. From that moment, the package begins a completely different journey. Instead of heading toward a customer's doorstep, it now travels through a complex network built specifically for returned products. Delivery trucks collect thousands of return packages every day and transport them to specialized return processing centers. These facilities are very different from the warehouses that ship new orders. Their job isn't just moving boxes. Their mission is to inspect every returned item, determine its condition, and decide the best possible outcome. For every package that arrives, a decision must be made. Can it be sold again? Can it be repaired? Should it be liquidated? Or has it reached the end of its journey? As soon as a returned package arrives at the processing center, its journey becomes highly organized. Every package is scanned, tracked, and logged into the system before moving any further. From there, it enters a series of inspection stations, where trained workers and automated technology work together to evaluate each item. The first step is verifying that the correct product was returned. Then inspectors examine its overall condition. Is the original packaging still intact? Are all the accessories included? Does the product still work exactly as intended? Even small details can influence the final decision. A missing charging cable, damaged packaging, or visible scratches may completely change what happens next. Some products pass inspection with no problems at all. Others require cleaning, repackaging, or minor repairs before they can be sold again. But not every returned item gets a second chance. In just a few moments, a single decision will determine the product's future, and that decision can send it down completely different paths. For many people, the story ends when a product leaves the return center. But for thousands of business owners, that's where the real opportunity begins. Across the country, liquidation companies purchase massive quantities of returned merchandise in bulk. Instead of buying a single product, they purchase entire truckloads or pallets filled with electronics, clothing, home goods, toys, kitchen appliances, and countless other items. The exact contents are often unknown until the pallet is opened. That's part of the risk and part of the excitement. Some pallets contain mostly low-value products. Others may include brand new electronics, premium household items, or products worth far more than the purchase price. This uncertainty has created an entire industry of resellers willing to take the gamble. Many sort, test, clean, and list individual items for sale through online marketplaces, local stores, or their own businesses. For experienced buyers, one successful pallet can generate far more value than its original cost. But not every purchase is a winning one. The biggest question is, how do professional buyers know which pallets are worth the risk? Experienced buyers rarely rely on luck alone. Before purchasing a liquidation pallet, they spend time researching the available information. Many liquidation listings provide basic details, such as the product categories, estimated retail value, item count, and the condition of the merchandise. Some even include photos or a general manifest showing what may be inside. Professional buyers compare these details with current market prices and estimate how much the items could realistically sell for. Then they calculate the costs. The purchase price is only the beginning. Shipping, storage, cleaning, testing, repairs, and selling fees all affect the final profit. A pallet that looks like a bargain can quickly become a loss if those expenses are ignored. Successful resellers understand that every purchase involves uncertainty. They don't expect every pallet to be profitable. Instead, they focus on making smart decisions over time, knowing that consistency matters more than chasing a single big win. For many entrepreneurs, that's the difference between a hobby and a sustainable business. But one question still remains. Why have product returns become so common in the first place? Why returns? Keep growing. Product returns have become a normal part of online shopping. As e-commerce continues to grow, millions of people buy products every day without ever seeing them in person. A shirt may look different than expected, a pair of shoes might not fit, an electronic device may arrive with a defect, or a customer may simply change their mind after the purchase. Easy return policies have also changed the way people shop. Many customers feel more confident making a purchase because they know they can return the product if it doesn't meet their expectations. While this creates a better shopping experience, it also means that an enormous number of products begin the return journey every single day. For retailers, handling those returns efficiently has become one of the biggest operational challenges in modern commerce. And as online shopping continues to expand, the hidden network behind returned products will only become larger and more important. Behind every returned package is a massive network working to recover as much value as possible. So the next time you click Return Item, remember that your package may be starting a completely new journey. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden systems behind everyday life, subscribe to Vortexa for more business documentaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.